Hey guys, it's Mr. Bear Blur again with Modern Warfare. And CT is the Boom is here. You there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so if you guys can hear him. Sorry, those are my little brothers. They are very loud. So yeah.
It will turn up me. It turns me up if you think they can't hear me.
So yeah. That's my little baby brother. He's really loud. He doesn't really understand what it means to be quiet. Be quiet. Yes, be quiet. Okay,
Okay, so let's start.
okay, be quiet. Okay, let's start the off. So we're going to be playing Survival on Modern Warfare 3.
I'm new at guys, so I'm like a level 1 on everything.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, stay quiet. Oh my gosh. We'll call this episode Be Quiet. That's what we'll call it. Be quiet. Be quiet! Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. It's just like... Okay, you can pick up their guns from the ground.
Oh my gosh.
You probably want to. It's gonna say low ammo. But then go and like, you kill a bunch of other guys and then you get their ammo.
I'm taking it.
Yeah, then it's gonna say low ammo like after one shot, but then just like kill a bunch of other guys because they all have the same gun. So just kill them and then pick up their ammo. Oh man, yes, you finished the round for us. Okay, okay, go to the weapons crate. Look, you see the gun? Yeah, go over here. Wait, have you ever played this? Have you ever played this, man? Christian, have you ever played this? Christian, man. Technical difficulties. Christian, man, have you ever played this?
No.
No? Never played this
Dude,
before?
I got a machine gun. Like a
Good.
machine gun. Yeah, but
It's cool.
I'm just having fun with you. People surrounding me already. What? Hey.
And I have a semi-automatic pistol. I'm not using it, but I'm like, I have it.
Yeah, try killing me again.
Sorry guys if you like saw that we haven't been doing Call of Duty for a while. Last time we did it was with me and Matt, and we were playing Advanced Warfare, and that's probably the last time we did it. But now we are back with more Call of Duty, cause we got people saying, yeah, do more Call of Duty, do more Call of Duty. So we decided to do some Modern Warfare today. Wait, is the round over, or are you just like...
No, there's one more guy over here.
Oh, good.
Yay!
I have 2,058, so I'm going to buy myself a good gun.
Where's your money and stuff? Oh, I see it. I have 1,300.
Yeah, it says it at the bottom of your screen. Handguns. Fully automatic. No, I'm going to save up for the good guns. I'm going to save up for
I'm
that.
going to get the machine pistol, actually.
Probably going to go grab one of their guns.
I just refilled my bullets, actually. So.
Wait, yeah. I'm going to grab this gun. Because there's a bunch of them. Yeah, there's dogs. On this round, a dog comes out. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it.
Where is it? Doggy! The doggy!
I killed the dog. There's only one. I was playing this earlier, guys. I didn't film it though. But I was playing this earlier and I was doing survival. I made it to like level 20, wave 20. I mean, and yeah, it got really hard. There was a bunch of dogs. Oh, and on wave 6, we're gonna have 2 helicopters. So that's like shoot them down. So I mean,
Air support. Going to get a machine pistol.
Man,
and see what
air support doesn't help at all though. It's like there's nothing in there yet that we can get. You know? Okay, assault rifles. Oh man, which one? Oh, I'm gonna get the AK-47. It's because it's my favorite gun.
Dude, this is awesome. No, look at this. Just come and look at this. Look.
Man, don't use your good guns yet though. Like, just like save them. You might want to grab the gun they have, so you can keep using that.
Dude,
It's probably a mistake getting the machine pistol.
I got the machine pistol just for my
At the gun place too, you can refill your ammo, so I really wouldn't worry about that much.
Oh man, dude,
I hate it when they try to hit you with their gun and they like shoot you. It's like really annoying the way that it looks when they shoot you. It's like, yeah.
Thank you.
I'm dying, man. Someone's like, oh, I didn't see that guy. There we go.
Oh, dang it.
There we go. Wave 4 cleared. Okay, let's move down to the guns. We don't
How
want
many waves are there?
as many as you can go. So, yeah.
Awesome. Hey, dude, I will be so good for this. I kind of like this gun.
You do.
Does level like 70 and 30 mean like?
Oh man, I have this really good gun and I got my AK. Look, I got this one and I got my AK. I don't know which one to use. Probably this one.
I got the machine.
Let me save my AK.
Oh, the machine pistols are really bad.
I know. I didn't get a machine pistol. I just traded it out for this gun. Like that last round.
I'm gonna get a shotgun for my Oh, dude, there's guys.
It's also really annoying. Next round too, I think it's the next round. Suicide guys come out and they try to crawl away, which is really weird. Oh, I just promoted to second lieutenant, but they try to crawl away, and I'm like, why would they try to crawl away? They like volunteered to be suicide bombers, you know?
Yeah, I know. It was just a puddle of blood on the ground.
I know, it's from that
Did
guy.
you see that up over there?
Wait.
I'm sorry, I sped it up.
Yeah. Oh. It's a helicopter round. It's helicopter round. Helicopters are coming out. Get your guns ready. Shoot the helicopters with your guns.
Oh.
Ah, I'm getting shot up here. Christian, let me back in the door.
Dude, just come back.
I'm bleeding out. Man, you got me stuck.
I can't. What was that? You just go right back up.
I know, someone like revived me. Oh.
Yes.
Awesome, man. I think that's the round complete.
No, another one.
Another
Wait,
one?
you're in the doorway.
There's 3. Oh, I took it down. Cut. Might want to go, let's go fill up our ammo. Let's go reload your ammo. We'll reload
Yeah,
it.
I totally will do that.
And then reload. And then assault rifles. Should I get yeah, I'm gonna get another assault rifle.
I got, I think these are like my favorite guns so far. Like, I think I'm just gonna keep it.
Curse B. Speed it up here. Okay, let's go. These are like when the suicide guys come. Okay, so you stay in that doorway, I'll stay in this doorway. So you stay in that doorway over there, yeah.
They always come from here.
Oh, they're closing in. Oh, suicide, guys.
Oh my gosh! Suicide! Suicide!
Stay away from them. Stay away. You shoot them, but then you get back. Once you see that red light, you know that it's going to explode. You want to get away.
They're coming into here and they're starting to... They came in from the back route, so you're lucky.
If you have a couple guys coming your way, I'm going to help you out.
I have a lot of guys coming my way. Thanks. Dude, I'm over here like stalking them.
This guy just like ran inside and was shooting through the wall. Oh, wave 7 cleared. Wait, that was wave 7 right there? Man, I didn't
we
know
get
that.
a gun or something. We get sniper rifles this time.
I don't know. I've never liked sniper rifles on this game, on this survival. You don't want to really use them. Oh, I got 5,000. I got 5,000. What do I want to buy with 5,000? I think I'll stay with the gun loadout I have. My AK and my
I can't get new guns.
CR. How do you get new guns? You buy them? Like everybody else?
No, I can't. It said all of those is like level 4 stuff been needed to play.
Oh, guys are closing in. Be careful.
Oh my shot. Oh my gosh. That was not what
I'm helping you.
Oh, dude, watch. Bam! Oh, they're going in from this side.
They're coming up the stairs.
Yeah, there was a guy right.
Oh man, they're all over the place.
I know, they stopped from coming from here a little bit. I got the guys out.
Oh man. Woo! I'm gonna go refill my ammo. That's probably what I'm gonna keep.
I know, we're using ammo fast on this.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep this loadout, and then I'm just gonna like keep really
I just
refilling.
say you're gonna need a shotgun. Like,
I'm not so sure about shotguns. I don't know if I'm gonna go with shotgun. Here, let's close these.
but it's nice because the hostels and stuff start running up to you and it's like,
Ah! Dog! Ah! Dog! Christian!
dude, I'm over here with you.
No! Help! I only have 4 to 6 seconds left! Christian! Come on, you have to hold it! Hold the button!
I did!
No! Ah!
William, I won.
No, man, you have to hold it the whole time.
I did! Okay.
Just because I closed the shades, I'm sorry, that's on me. I closed the shades and I stood there and I got taken down. Again, we're going again.
Dude, we need to be together. Otherwise, like, when you go down, they might be on the other side of the map or something.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, there's a good spot for you're on that side and I'm on that side, but still. Like, I think we should go in the corner and be like, anyone tries to get go back in.
Yeah.
I love you start out with pistol.
Yeah. It's like so fair and stuff. It's like they have a total storyline. It's like you and your other guy are the only ones left and you're stuck here. That's the whole storyline of this. Okay, so I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the AK and I'm going to get the CR, then I'll be like invincible.
I just want the, I don't have the guns you can get. And I got a shotgun also, thanks.
I got a shotgun.
I have a shotgun now, so. I'm coming up around the back. I'll be right there.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Yeah, I took one of their shotguns.
Yep, we got our shotguns out. That's the only gun that we
So that
can
was pretty
get.
neat.
I mean, I really recommend it. Most people don't get it. Okay, weapons.
You did.
Only have 745 though. That's like enough. That's barely enough time. Like, we can refill.
I want a new gun though.
We can only get handguns. That's the only thing that's possible to buy right now. Okay. I'm gonna stick up like I did last time. I'm gonna do it exactly like I did.
I'm committed. Yeah, I'll get this door. The one over here where it opens up into the wall or whatever. I have this one.
Shot.
Oh. Well, that was easy.
Is there 4 enemies left? I can't see it on my screen. It's like my screen's too small to see it all.
Boys, I just got like 500 money because I got Rampage.
Oh yeah, I've got Rampage before a lot.
I just killed all of these guys right here.
They're 921. Okay, new gun.
Oh, I own this one.
Machine. How much do I have? I'm gonna save up. I'm gonna save up just like I did last time. I even said that last time. I'm gonna save up. Save up till I get enough. Okay.
I'm just sitting with a shotgun in a
I'm gonna save up till I have 3,000 for assault rifles, and then you start like going.
Oh.
Wait, where are they?
Hey, what?
Oh, they're all coming in. Wait, did you kill the dog?
Yeah, he was on this side. And it was the first thing that came up to me.
Yeah, it's usually the first thing that comes.
But they're coming up.
Oh man.
Dude, I shot that thing in mid-air. That dog, like, jumped on me and I just shot it.
Huh. Oh wait, I see a bunch of bad guys closing
Oh my
in on
gosh,
you.
dude, a motorcycle blew up on me. Help.
A motorcycle? How can a motorcycle?
That motorcycle blew up.
Wait, yeah, all of the bad guys are over here on your side. Oh, I have enough for assault rifle. That's what I'm gonna get.
What's the most costly weapon there? Maybe that's like the best. It's actually the assault rifles are the best.
Okay, I got
I
a.
think I might actually get the.
I got an AK. I'm gonna stick with my pistol. Okay, I'm doing what I did last time. I'm sticking with the pistol, the AK. Then I'm gonna get another assault rifle, and then I'll be like right back up to standards.
I don't like those. No one really needs it. You got outside covered? Wait,
Yeah.
helicopters.
Or helicopters? Helicopter round?
No, maybe the next round. But I knew, like, the next round or something was gonna.
No, there's no helicopters, but I have a bunch of guys closing in on me. Come on.
Alright, there you go. Someone over here.
Huh?
Some flashbang at me.
Come on. It looks like we're running out of time though. Here on this video, even though we're only on this wave. So we will see you guys next time. Bye. You want to say goodbye? Bye.
But let us know what I do. Let's see.
Bye.
Yeah.